What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the position of text in DaVinci Resolve, whether you're working with titles, lower thirds, or simple text overlays. First, go to the Edit page and add a text title to your timeline. You can do this by opening the Effects library, going to Titles, and dragging Text or Text Plus onto your timeline. Once the text is on the timeline, click on it to select it. Then, open the Inspector panel in the top right corner. In the inspector, you'll see Position X and Y controls. Adjust these values to move the text left, right, up, or down on the screen. You can also directly drag the text in the viewer to reposition it visually. If you're using Text Plus, you'll find even more controls under the Layout section, including anchor point and alignment options for more precise positioning. When the text looks right, you're done. The position updates instantly. And that's it. That's how you change text position in DaVinci Resolve quickly and easily. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.